If you've been trying to resize your Windows 10 or 11 screen instead of an Oracle VM VirtualBox, then I've got a quick solution for you. So if you see here, if we go to display settings, there will be a few different resolutions, not any of that are 16 by 9. If we go up to the top at View, Virtual Screen, these options here are normally blacked out or grayed out. So we're just going to go to Devices, Insert Guest Editions CD image. Once you do that, the CD should be mounted inside of Windows. So let's go to your File Explorer, this PC, and you'll see the CD. Click in there, and there should be a couple different options for Vbox Windows editions. I'm going to be clicking the AMD 64 version. And you'll probably just want to click on whichever one actually lets you do it, because if you're running a 32-bit version, you'd be hitting x86. Just going to click onto it, hit Next, Next, Install. And once you do that, it'll ask you to restart the virtual machine. So we're just going to go ahead and reboot the virtual machine. And once you've done that, you should now be able to go up to View, Virtual Screen 1, and it should now let you choose your resolution that you want to have on the virtual machine.